What's going on, everyone? Fast Food Toy Reviews here. Today we have something very cool and very rare and very special to my heart. Yes, it's the Incredible Hulk, one of my all-time favorite Marvel Avengers superheroes. And so this is a RICOLINO set from Mexico. It's exclusive to Mexico. RICOLINO. Let me show you here. RICOLINO. So there are 6 toys in this Hulk set from 2003. So let's get them opened up and have a closer look. So to start, let's take a look at each package. So this is the first one in the set, and you can see it's 1 through 6. And if you look closely, you can see where you can get a pair of scissors and cut this out. It's a movie scene from the 2003 Hulk movie, and we're going to spin the box around. You can see it's all in Spanish, and I am just horrible at speaking this, so I'm going to do my best to try not to butcher it too bad. So what does it read? Busca Juan de la Figura de Acción. I'm not sure 100% what that means, but I'm guessing it reads one figure in each box, maybe something like that. And then down here it reads contains cranky panditas moritas the Bubba Lubba Boo +1 premium Hulk figure. I'm horrible. I apologize. I'm not doing it on purpose to try to butcher the language. I'm doing my best. So you can see the scene here from the movie. And like I said, you cut them out, and then you can probably display these. Let's look underneath. You can hear the toy rattling around in there. Let's see what it reads under here. I'll show these off to you so you can see Mexico Limpio. Is that what it reads there? And then it shows the other information right there. So we're going to examine these pretty good because you just don't see this set every day. Very rare. I've been searching for another set for many years, and you just don't see them. Very rare. And on the front here, it shows the different candies that I'm assuming came in each box. So each box, you got 1 toy from the set, plus 1 of each of these particular snacks, Cranky Moritas, Boo Boo Lubu, and Panditas. And this is what all the toys look like in the set. So I just threw each toy in every random box. I'm not sure which one was number 1 or 2 through 6. I'm not 100% sure. It's just completely random to me. But it shows you everything that's going on. So let's open this up and have a closer look. So as you can see, the first toy is this one right here. Hulk Atraviesa Paredes. Paredes? Oh man, I'm terrible at this, speaking other languages. I need to brush up on it. So here is an up-close look at the toy. You can see it's like a little wall-breaking toy, and there is the Hulk. And basically all you do is take these 3 pieces. Let me do this for you real quick and show you. 3 pieces of wall like this, and they just kind of tab together. And then at the bottom, you can see the little notches, so you can face it this way or this way here. And it goes on the toy right here. It pegs right in. It kind of, let's see, we'll do 2 hands here, and we'll get this tabbed into place. And it kind of just rests in there ever so lightly. And then what you do is you push this button right here. It's spring loaded. And the Hulk basically, does these arms move? Nope, it's just one little molded figurine. So you push this button and watch the Hulk. Ready? It's supposed to fall apart. Okay. So maybe we have it pegged in too tightly. So let's loosen them up a little. There we go. And then the Hulk right here, it locks into place. Hear that snap in? And then you place this back in loosely. We'll do it loosely this time. Well, the best we can. This is great. Okay, now we kind of got it balanced in there. You can see I didn't tab it all the way in. And then watch this. All right, hopefully it works. Ready? Go! Well, you get the idea. And there you go. We'll just call this the wall-smashing Hulk. Number 2 in the set is another cool looking scene. Let's give you an up close look right there. So it shows a couple of fellas running through the hallway. If you remember from the movie, you haven't seen the 2003 Hulk movie, it's kind of campy, but yet it is really fun, and it is, in my opinion, very accurate to how the Hulk would be in the comic book world. So I think it's a pretty good representation of the actual Hulk character in the movie. They did a really good job. And what's really cool about it is they have like the comic book cut scenes and stuff. And it's kind of fashioned like a comic book in the movie. It's really neat. So if you haven't watched it, check it out. And so you see there, number 2, so you got the cutout here from that movie scene. And then we'll spin it around, give you another 360 there. All right, let's open it up. So the next one is called the Hulk Escape. So you can see right here by my thumb, there's the Hulk, and it's got some pieces right there, and he kind of explodes out of this little box, and we have it right here. So this one's kind of fidgety, and it kind of wants to wobble and drop apart. Doesn't really lock into place all that well. So you have a button right there, right to here, right down to here. And what you do is you push this, and it's, again, spring-loaded, and watch what happens. I'm going to push the button in. You ready? Here we go. All 4 pieces are supposed to explode. So here's the little mini Hulk figurine in there. Kind of silly and goofy looking, but awesome nonetheless. He's got some really good muscular detail going on. Here's a little look at the back. And he's got a little flat base molded to his feet, and inside is a little platform. So what we do is we place this in here like so, and it fits right into place. Push this down, and it locks in, and then hopefully we can get all 4 pieces to kind of jump out of there, get that lined up just right. Like I said, it's a little fidgety, but it makes it more fun that way. And then we take these pieces here. You can see how they kind of link together. Let's see, we got this right? Let's see. Okay, so we need it like this and like this. Okay, and there we go. So they link together like that, and then we want to make sure we line it up like so, and it carefully laid on top like this here, and there we go. And let's try this again. Let's see if we can get the Hulk to smash all 4 pieces out of the box. You ready? Here we go. He just exploded everywhere. Well, these are supposed to come off too. Oh, anyway. So there you go. It's the Hulk Escape toy. The third one in the set, it shows the Hulk with the nuclear gamma reactor machine from the movie, which is a really cool scene, actually. So if you watch the movie, when you watch this, it's actually quite impressive. And let's see. So we don't know which toy is in here because I just randomly put them in. So let's open this up and see what we get. Here we go. And who do we get? Carefully pull this out, and it looks like we have, what's this one called? Hulk Equilibrio, so like maybe balancing Hulk. So let's take a look at this guy right here, and let's see what he does. So there is the Hulk standing on top of a steel beam. Well, actually it's plastic, but it looks like a steel beam. And it looks like it's a little base here that kind of spins around, and this kind of wobbles. Does it do anything else? The figure, let's see, the figure is actually molded, like glued right on there. So it doesn't actually do anything except for wobble around and just kind of balances there. And so it's like a bobblehead type mini Hulk figurine that just kind of spins around like that and just wobbles. Kind of like a little mini ball joint in there, like a loose little, I don't know, it's just kind of on there. And I guess you can remove it if you wanted to, but I don't know, why would you? It just does its thing. So you can spin him around like a little helicopter, and he just wobbles. That's the gimmick with this toy, I suppose. Just kind of wobbles around there and just hangs out. That's it. So there you go. So the fourth one in the set shows, it looks like a military hangar of sorts. And I think it's really neat that they use actual screenshots from the movie itself. So you can see a military helicopter there and some other military vehicles, some soldiers hanging out. Very neat stuff. And then let's open this up and see which one we get. We get this little guy right here. So let's take a look at the back of the picture here and find out what this one is named. It is named Hulk Laboratorio. So a laboratory Hulk escape type toy, which is kind of neat. And so what we have here is a little base with the little escape box from the laboratory, if you will. And it reads Hulk right there. It kind of has a metallic look to it. And basically all you do is you push this in, it's spring loaded. You push this and it reveals the Hulk in there. So the faster you push this, the faster it spins. And it's kind of grooved out, so you can kind of rest it on your your finger there. I definitely use 2 hands though. And let's see if we can fidget with this and open this up a little bit and see if we can peek in there and see the Hulk. It doesn't open up all that far. So let's see, can we get a good look at the Hulk in there? Get some light and move this back piece. You see, I'm fidgeting with it so hard to try to show off the Hulk in there. Let's try it from this side. There we go, that's better. So we're getting a decent look. You can see the little mini Hulk figurine in there. This kind of stationary, just kind of glued to the base there. And that's about it. So yeah, that's the gimmick with this one. Let's see. There we go. And that's it. So there we go. We got to go good. Now you can really see it. How cool is that? Awesome, right? Oh, I love this one. The 5th one in this set shows the Hulk right there escaping from his military prison, like his, I don't know, what would you call this? Like maybe the experimentation room, science room? I don't know exactly. Another laboratory type scene where you can see the Hulk running, trying to get out of there. And let's see what little mini figurine we got in here. And we have, let's see. Okay, so we have the Hulk with the Boulder. And what is this one named? This one is the Hulk Rompa-Rockus. Okay, so we have a little Hulk here. And it looks like it's got a little button back here. So we push this and he smashes. So it's a Hulk smash. Let's do it from this side here. Hulk smash, and we have a little plastic boulder here. And I know this is in 2 pieces, and it's just a hollow little plastic boulder-shaped thingy. And let's see. So I basically, I think we take it and put it like this, and then we hold the Hulk like this, and smash it like this. Let's see. It's supposed to break open the boulder. So you're supposed to smash in the boulder. Come on, smash it. There we go. Let's do it again. I'm having too much fun with this set. Oh, this is good stuff. Okay, right there. And we're going to try this one more time. There we go. And we're going to push the button and smash. Ready? Come on. There we go. We got it. Yes, a Hulk smash. It's a win. And the 6th one up, it shows Bruce Banner's house. Is like his neighborhood from the movie. There's a big fight scene at his house in the movie, so you'll see this when you watch the movie. I highly recommend watching. If you haven't seen the 2003 release of this movie, do yourself a favor and go enjoy it. It's completely comic booky. You'll absolutely love it. It's hokey and campy, but yet very, very cool. Anyway, last one up. Let's open it up and see what we got. So we have a little Hulk vehicle, and it is named the Hulk Buggy. Yes, it's a little buggy Hulk. Look at this. So he's riding on like a 4-wheeler. And let's see. So he got the wheels that roll along, and there is a little bit of a gimmick. It's like a momentum pullback gimmick. Very soft pullback feature. You can see right here. See that? So let's give you an up-close look at the Hulk. Give you a spinaroo here. And I got to tell you, I don't see why Hulk would need to ride a 4-wheeler, because he can run like 300 miles an hour and jump for miles at a time, lightning quick. But this is still funny. Let's look at the bottom, and let's see, what does it read underneath here? It just has a trademark Marvel logo going on. And again, it has a pullback feature, so let's try it. Very slow. Yes, I've messed with this many times over the years. So we'll do it like this. And look at that. He just goes on his own. It's just a very soft pullback gimmick. Doesn't have a lot of momentum. Let's see. See that? Which is fine, which is kind of cool. I dig it. It's really neat. So there you go. Look at, it's the Hulk Buggy. I love it. There you have it, everyone. The Incredible Hulk set of 6 amazing little collectibles released by RICOLINO back in 2003 to commemorate the 2003 Hulk movie. I absolutely love this set. I'm so happy to have it. It's extremely rare, extremely hard to find, especially with the boxes. But if you're a die-hard collector such as myself, you're going to want to hunt this down and get it into your collection as fast as possible. I love this set, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.